Mastering English Slang. Understanding No Game. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the world of English slang and idioms. Our focus will be on the phrase, no game. This is a common phrase you might hear in casual conversations, movies, or TV shows. Understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the nuances of English. So, let's get started and decode what no game really means. First, let's break down the phrase. Literally, no game could mean the absence of a physical or digital game. However, in slang, it's used metaphorically. No game refers to a lack of skill, ability, or charm, especially in social situations or romantic pursuits. It's often used in contexts where someone is trying to impress others or show competence but fails to do so. To better understand no game, let's look at some examples. 1. Romantic context. If someone says, "He's got no game," it likely means the person isn't good at flirting or doesn't have a way with romantic words. 2. Social context. In a group setting, someone might use it humorously or critically if a person fails to be witty or engaging, like, "She tried to be the life of the party, but honestly, she has no game." 3. Professional context. Although less common, it can be used in work scenarios to imply a lack of skill or talent. As in, "He tried to lead the meeting, but he's got no game." It's important to use no game in appropriate contexts. Since it can be seen as a negative comment, it's best used in informal, casual settings and with people who understand it's meant humorously or lightly. Avoid using it in formal or sensitive situations, as it might come across as rude or disrespectful. There are variations and related slang terms worth knowing. Got game, the opposite of no game, meaning someone is skilled or competent. Up your game, a phrase encouraging someone to improve their skills or performance. Game face refers to a serious or determined expression, often used in competitive scenarios. Understanding these variations helps you grasp the broader context in which game is used in slang terms. I hope this video helps clarify what no game means and how you can use it in everyday English. Remember, slang is a vibrant and evolving part of any language, and grasping it can make your conversations more engaging and authentic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into English language learning. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.